Salve te omnes, let's continue with Virgil's Aeneid, Book 1. Extemplo Aeneae solvuntur frigore membra, ingemit et duplices tendens ad sidera palmas, talia voce refert, O terque quaterque beati, quis antea ora patrum Troiae sub moenibus altis contigit optere. Immediately the limbs of Aeneas are loosened with fear. He groans, and, stretching both his palms towards the stars, he calls back such great things with his voice. O 3 and 4 times blessed ones, those who it happened to seek or to obtain death before the faces of their fathers and beneath the lofty walls of Troy. So, this is the first time that Aeneas gets to speak in the Aeneid, and he's saying, oh, those people who died at Troy, they were blessed. And he's going to go on to talk about how dying at sea, basically, is not the same as dying in war. Because he's witnessing this terrible storm around him, he's certain he's going to die, and he's saying, well, those men who got to die in battle in their homeland, beloved Troy, those were the lucky ones, and I'm cursed here at sea to die in this terrible storm? And Aeneas is terrified. His limbs are loosened with fear, and he groans and stretching his hands towards the sky. He's like asking, why is this happening to me? And he calls back such great things with his voice, or such great words. There's an implied verba here. And quis is actually syncopated. It is shortened form of quibus, and it would be the direct object of contigit. It happened to those. It happened to those people. Those people being the beati, the blessed ones who died in the Trojan War.